Today we're going to be discussing how to avoid stress when it comes to deposits into your bank account. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be making those for you. However, in this edition we're basically going to talk about how to avoid some of those pitfalls in financing. One of the biggest struggles that we have in the mortgage world today is how borrowers make deposits into their bank accounts and they fail to make copies of those items before they deposit them. Now, if you're like me, where your paycheck gets automatically deposited, it's easy. Your paycheck goes in and you're done. But if you have another deposit that goes into your bank account that's not from payroll, that's a check or a cash, that's when it poses a problem. So that's what we're going to talk about today. If you get a gift from someone, it has to be documented. You want to definitely make a copy of that gift check before you deposit it, and certainly give me a call before you do anything. There's other documentation we need as well. The other thing is if you get a check from someone for anything else, selling a car, selling some furniture, perhaps a friend of yours gave you $100, won a bet, anything like that. You want to make a copy of those checks before you deposit them. It's much easier to do it in advance and be proactive rather than have to ask for forgiveness later when we really can't repeat steps and do things over. It's very important when it comes to the documentation and what's called a paper trail when it comes to mortgage financing. So just make a copy, go and deposit the money. It's also very important for you to understand cash cannot be paper trailed when it comes to mortgage financing, so don't deposit it. All you need to do is just hang on to your cash, pay your grocery bill, fill up the tank of your car, something like that, but don't deposit the cash in your bank account. It just causes a lot of problems when it comes to getting financed. We can't back out and pretend like we didn't see the deposits, so it's very important that you know the steps that it takes to prevent as much stress as you can when it comes to getting a home loan. I'm Erica Naglin, loansbyerica.com, and I hope this helped for you and your financing today.